this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Salesforce with Atlassian Jira in 3 easy steps using the Goldfinger Holdings Salesforce integration plugin for Jira. Step 1, from the Atlassian Marketplace, install the Salesforce integration plugin for Jira. Step 2, enter your Salesforce credentials. And the third and final step, enter your Jira project key. Now that we've installed and configured our plugin, let's go over to Salesforce and create a new case. Let's go over to Jira, and we'll see that our new Salesforce case has synchronized over to Jira as a bug. That's how you integrate Salesforce with Atlassian Jira in 3 easy steps using the Goldfinger Holdings CRM plugin for Jira.